So I've been waiting on the shipment of wood so we can start building our coop, and the mower, which they got delayed for some reason. I think it's because they didn't have the mower, but they just brought the mower separate. So we got the mower now, and the wood should be coming today so we can get started on that coop. That's going to be our big project for the next few weeks. Little Luke's going to be super excited to see this mower. It's his favorite thing, I think, right now is mowers and tractors and stuff. So it's going to be fun to see him when he first sees the mower. Right now I'm just getting it set up, putting gas in it and some oil, getting ready to go. So when he gets home, he can come see it. You see it? Go see it. Let's go see the tractor. Yeah. What do you think? Chicken coop! There it comes! In little pieces. Where you going, Luke?
He thinks he's gonna run over him.
Taking off. That's a good idea. Yeah, get out of the way. Yeah.
Really?
Chicken house.
Oh,
Yeah, it's gonna be a house for chickens.
is it?
Yeah.
Where?
Find a bug?
Where?
Better get him. Got him.
What?
Bug? Get him? Alright, so I think we've picked out the location we want the coop to go in. It is right there. Between those trees. Yeah, so this would be a good spot. Because over here is the house and we can see it right there.
So we decided to put it over here because there's some nice trees to keep it shady and cool. And also when we put the runs, we kind of angled it this way so we can have a run kind of come out here and we'd have room, and then one on the other end. And then when they're out free ranging, there's some trees that if they get scared or see a predator or something, they've got some shelter to go hide into.
What do you think about the chicken coop?
I like it, not now, but maybe later.
Are you gonna help build it?
Yeah?
You are? How many nails are you gonna put in?
As many nails as there are.
I just need a lot of help.
You need lots of help. Because it's gonna be
It's going to be a 8 by 16, is that what it is?
maybe a 10 by 16.
Wow.
So 10 by 16 is what we have right now. These aren't the boards that are going to be on there. These are just to kind of get an idea of where it'll set. I'll get the 2 by 6s that are treated because we use treated lumber on the bottom so we don't get any wood rot on the bottom. And hopefully we'll get started tomorrow. I'll start leveling this out and maybe we'll have a floor done tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe not. Got a lot of stuff to do. So.
Hopefully.
So, last night I saw on the news that we're expecting rain today, but they were talking like it's supposed to be later this afternoon. Well, it turns out it rained last night and all morning pretty hard, so I'm gonna have to get this lumber inside before it gets super soaked, because it's not too bad right now. It'll dry out, and really if I left it out here it probably wouldn't even matter that much, but I'd rather keep it nice and dry so to keep the integrity of it and so it doesn't warp much. So we gotta move a ton of lumber into that shop, which I was gonna have them deliver and stick in there, but the tractor they were using and the way that it was loaded on there, it just wouldn't fit through those doors. So I've got a lot of work to do this morning and in the rain, and then if the rain stays this light throughout the day, which I'm not sure if it will, it looks like a lot of bands. It's from that tropical storm, so if it stays this light, it might work out here because it feels pretty good actually. So hopefully we can get the chicken coop started today. Start working on the base and the bottom, the flooring and stuff. So that's the plan.